So, in the continuation, this is my second video of the interview experiences. The second company I went for the interview was Fluber, which is also in Noida Sector 63. And in this company, I was appearing for the marketing profile. There were 3 rounds. In the first round, I had to sell an empty glass, which was there on the table of the interviewer. And one more candidate was there who had to sell the same glass, and we both were representing different company. So my answer was totally focused on the quality of the glass for selling. I was not focusing on the price, you can say, or other things. Rather than I focused on more on qualities. Even though the price for my glass was high rather than my other candidates who was there. So I focused on qualities, and that that went good, and that I cleared that in that round. Appeared for the next round, and finally got for the HR round. So in the HR round, we had discussion about the salary after clearing all the questions and answers. So in the salary section, I said that generally the best answer what I have learned till now, and according to me, this is the fit. This is fit if you are fresher, you can say. So as of my knowledge, company is more experienced, and company authorities are more experienced in this industry. So they will company will pay me the best as per my knowledge and skill set. This is the way you can represent your answer about salary. And whenever you are representing any answer of any questions, you should be precise, be clear, and or be confident when you are delivering your statements. So this is the interview experience of second company. The third company I appeared was Thinksys, which is also in Noida Sector 63, as I remember. In Thinksys, I appeared for the software testing profile. There were 3 rounds. All three were face-to-face round, and the final round was HR round. In the first technical round, at the same time when I appeared for the interview, it was raining, and we had discussion about the rain at that time also. After that, I had questions from my CV related with a skill set from DBMS, from DAR, from SQL queries. In SQL queries, I had questions from key concepts, joins, uh, and other sections: create table, update, delete, and all those SQL queries. So uh, the interview process was good for the first round, and the second was also good. The same happened in the second round also. There were questions from DBMS, DAR, and SQL queries. More focus was on SQL queries. In the HR round, the questions asked to me was, if the case was one case was there, if I am the team leader and I have to call my employees on the holidays to deliver the project on time, for which I have a very limited time, and the project has not been completed yet, and more work was incomplete still. So how will you connect with your team members? I had to answer that. So I said that if I'm the team leader, and of course no one wants to come on holidays, everyone wants to spend their time with their family, and people don't focus on money always, so they want to spend their own life and spend their time with family. So I will say them that please come on holidays, and we will work for 3 to 4 hours. That means half day only, and after that we will have cultural programs or some games or some parties, and after finishing the project we will have walks or other gifts, you can say. But in between the time when we are supposed to create project, we will work on holidays, and we will have some uh, other curricular activities or other cultural activities or functions, rather than calling them for 9 to 5 or 10 to 6, you can say. So all these things went good, and finally I got selected there. So the main thing was how you deliver your statements, how you deliver, how positive you look there. If you are positive, with your mindset, and you are representing very well, then of course there are 90% chances of getting selected, and 10% depends on the god. So in the next video, I will share the interview experience of Infosys and Tech Mahindra, and in the final, I will share the experience of HCL. See you in the next video.